Hello, so we're back, and this time we have a proper nice laptop to repair. It's a Dell Inspiron Ryzen 7 and Radeon graphics. Now, this job is coming from a computer business. Dell Inspiron AMD, it takes power, but will not display on internal or external display. Can you take a look, please? Yeah, sure. Let's press the power button. So pressing the power button, and the laptop is now coming on. Let's plug a charger. Plug in the charger and the meter it is coming on. 19 volts, so the PD controller is working. Pressing the power button and yeah, check that. What is that, the charging current or? I mean, we do have a light here, but I don't know if this is a charging current or actually the laptop coming on. If it's not a charging current, means the laptop is not charging. So check that, it's 100 milliamps. Pressing the power button, and the laptop is coming on. I believe this is actually the laptop coming on. So why it's not charging then? Let's open the laptop and let's have a look. I'm curious, what kind of fault do we have here? And the laptop, it's open. Wow, this looks like brand new, huh? No liquid damage. Everything is untouched. BIOS battery here. Let's unplug the BIOS battery. Pretty sure someone reset this laptop, but let's do it anyway. The main battery. If we are plugging the charger, probably the laptop is not coming on without the battery. The laptop it is coming on 600 milliamps. The fan is spinning. The fan is spinning at full speed because we reset the BIOS obviously. It's taking like 800 milliamps. Dell is taking like a long time to start up after we reset the BIOS. Okay, nothing happened, but it is possible to be because of the battery. So I'm gonna plug back the battery. Plug back the BIOS battery. Let's try one more time. Pressing the power button. And nothing happened. Let's plug the charger. Let's see if it's charging. So the board it is coming on. This LED is still flashing. Check that. But it's taking 1 amp now. Before it was like 800 milliamps. 1 amp. Do you think because if the battery is dead? Let's check the battery. I don't know where is the plus of the battery. 0 volts. And here we have 12.2. But the battery should have like 15. Wait, it is 15? I can't even see. 15 volts. Yeah. 2 amps. Check here. 2 amps. So now the battery starts charging. Good. Let's wait a little bit. We have backlight on the keyboard. Not sure if you can see. Beep. Pressing the caps lock is beeping. Not sure what that means. And we have 3 whites and 3 oranges flashes. You know what? I can have a look for this fault to see what is wrong. So power of the laptop. I power off the laptop and it's still charging 1.9 amps. Let me check online quickly. Okay, everything online indicates a BIOS issue. Yeah. So what we are doing? So basically the warranty or the support ended on 2025, April. Press Control and Escape. Okay, let's do it. Control and Escape. Let's try to do a BIOS, yeah? So we have the programmer here, and the BIOS chip is here. Pin number 1, I can't see. Pin number 1 is here. Battery, let's disconnect the battery. Pin number 1 here. Good. Let's go onto the screen. Programmer. Not sure what BIOS is here. The voltage. Let's try 1.8 first. It's 1.8. Yeah. Let's read the BIOS first to save the original BIOS. Let's verify with the buffer, and it's not working. Huh? Why is not working? Okay, let's do something else. Let's plug the battery. Plug in the battery. Let's try one more time. So identifying. Good. Reading. Good. And verifying. It's working. You see? I just plugged the battery. That's all what I did. And I found many times, even I plug the charger or I plug the battery, and I can, read and write the BIOS without desoldering the BIOS from the board. All good. So we have the original customer BIOS. Let me find another BIOS. Go to BIOS. Yeah, let's check. Let's see. So, opening the file, and I have the BIOS, like normal BIOS. And I have the BIOS with the serial numbers, yeah? So I will say, let's write straight the one with the serial number, open, and write the BIOS, right? Yeah, it's doing it. We still have the clamp on the BIOS, we are fine. Let's wait, I'm curious. I'll be honest with you, I don't know how to do it, because on Dell you have to have the service tag, you have to have some serial numbers. It's not about the Windows key, because people are sorry, well, you replace the BIOS, now it's no Windows key there. And that's actually not really my problem. I mean, the customer BIOS was corrupted. It's up to him if he want to buy another key or not. But, just trying me to copy the key from the corrupted BIOS to the right BIOS, it's not worth it. Probably it's cheaper just to buy the key. So, yeah. I'm more like a hardware guy. I'm not really confident playing with the BIOS images. And now it's verifying and looks like it's working. And everything is fine, huh? What do you think about that? Let's see. So BIOS clamp, it's out. Main battery is still plugged in, lol. Okay, let's unplug the battery. The BIOS battery, it is disconnected. Good. Plugging back the main battery. Pressing the power button. And it's coming on. Good. At least it's still coming on. Let's see. The fan is not spinning at full speed anymore. I can feel the CPU warm. Wait. Yeah, the keys are still beeping. But I can see the laptop, the keyboard backlight is going on and off. Yeah, we have to wait a little bit. I can feel the CPU warm. It's working! I can't believe we have picture! Finally! Check here! Working fine! Huh? Loading the Windows. It was a BIOS issue. I mean, what happened with the Dell recovery thingy? It's not working. Wow. we have to do something more. Yeah, we need to put a serial, the customer tag, service tag, inside of the BIOS. Shutting down the laptop. Let's try to go in BIOS and put the service tag. Sorry, service tag. Yeah. Wow. Good. So the laptop is off. Pressing the power button F2. Huh? Let's go on BIOS. I mean, check that. Check that. We have a like a service message, service tag. Yeah. So we have to put a service tag, and service tag is 58. And enter, and we have access to the BIOS. Check here. Ha! Working fine. FNX. FNX. And now the problem is fixed. Powering off. Powering on. Let's see. And it's coming on without message, right? Yeah. Yeah, everything is working fine, charging fine. On the USB-C, we have like 2 amps, 1.7, something like that. So everything is fine. Can't believe it was a BIOS issue. I'm happy I fixed it because this is like 1 year old. You remember the warranty expired in like April, if I remember. But yeah, now the laptop is off and it's taking 1.5 amps. Yeah, the BIOS is from our Discord. And if you need this BIOS, just go on our Discord and you have BIOS and schematics. Yeah, so here on the BIOS you will find or request BIOS files. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna stop now. I will say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.